Okay, Wisconsin. If you're looking for businesses in Wisconsin, we're here to help. We're going to show you how to get that data from the Wisconsin Secretary of State. We have another link in the description down below. And then we're going to show you how to use their Secretary of State search. And then if you're getting that data in an automated fashion, if you want it quicker and more automated to build into your software, we're going to show you how to get that via Postman and SDK if you're using any kind of API. Now, let's go to Wisconsin. All right, Wisconsin right here. They have okay amount of information, no officer information, no organization documents, no industry, no state of formation. Okay, it's just okay. The data from Wisconsin is just okay. Let's go over here and check it out. Their searches seems like it has a bunch of stuff on here. It's pretty small. Hold on, let me zoom in. Like you can search by entity type, but most, and the date is the cool part, right? You can search with the formation date. That's a cool addition to have, but it's kind of a ghetto looking search, a little bit older. Okay, let's go find an active one here. Restored to good standing. That means probably fine. There's just none that are good. How about that? So like I said, we have a status. Yep, we have a registered agent, but no other information. We can't get their documents. There's no officer information. It's all pretty bare bones here on this site. Now here's the Cobalt Intelligence portal. You can come in here. To test the data, you can get via Postman, you can get via API, and you're going to come over here. You're going to pass in the business name and the state, and this way you can kind of test, and you'll see it come back in a nice JSON format like this. There we go. But like I said, bare bones, not a ton of information there. Now let's go over to Postman, and we'll show you how to use this. Right here, Wisconsin's WI. You're going to send, and it's going to be that same kind of information, just this URL is where you're going to use every time. Pass in a search query, which will be the business name. And then the state will be your Wisconsin, right? Or whatever state you're using. And then in the headers, you're going to put x-api-key with a value here of API key. And then all that information down here. So you can see it came back. Now let's go over to the JavaScript SDK. If you're a Node.js user, this is probably the way you want to do it. It is what we use. And then we'll send it here. And you'll just import this via npm, and you'll initialize it with new, pass in the API key, and then you're going to go sosapi.getBusinessDetails, and you're going to pass in the name and the state. Those are the required fields. You can also do things like pass in desire for a screenshot. Like, hey, I would like to see a screenshot for this business. Well, here it is. Right there. So you can see that information. You can prove you came there and check this. It has the registered agent information, all of that information right there. So that is Wisconsin, and I'm Jordan Hansen from Cobalt Intelligence. If this video is helpful at all for you, you can subscribe, please below. We can be friends, and you can ask questions, whatever you need, and we'll help you however we can. Thanks, that's me, and that's all.